All right, now the Judicial Service Commission will now begin the process of shortlisting candidates who have applied for the position of Chief Justice and Judge of the Supreme Court. The Commission will tomorrow, Wednesday, announce the names of all applicants who managed to beat the deadline for the application. Etienne's George Maringa looks at the next steps for the appointment of David Maraga's successor.
Through a Gazette notice, Acting Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu on 18th January this year declared the office of the Chief Justice vacant, paving way for interested persons to apply for the position. 22 days later, that process is now complete. According to Acting JSC Chair Mercy Deche, the Commission will on Wednesday hold a meeting to let the country know who has applied and later shortlist candidates for interviews within 14 days.
It's expected that senior judges of the Court of Appeal, judges who are serving in the Supreme Court already, to be some of the people who will apply. We also anticipate that we'll see practitioners who have been very active and visible within the practice, the courtroom practice.
Functions of the Chief Justice are stipulated in the JSC Act, which include the Chief Justice shall be the head of the judiciary and president of the Supreme Court and shall be the link between the judiciary and other arms of government. The Chief Justice shall assign duties to the Deputy Chief Justice, the President of the Court of Appeal, the Principal Judge of the High Court, and the Chief Registrar of the Judiciary. The Chief Justice shall also give an annual report to the nation on the state of the judiciary and administration of justice. The Chief Justice shall also exercise general direction and control over the judiciary. However, the executive and judiciary have had a frosty relationship, especially during Justice Maraga's tenure.
And in their own way of living, and their, the academic papers they have written, their judgments, if they are sitting judges, if they don't look like their pro-government, then the question will be whether the current government will be interested in getting such a person to take the position of Chief Justice. Going by the experience they have had, the executive arm of government has had with Maraga's leadership, I doubt whether they'll be interested to have an independent and fierce leader of the judiciary as a Chief Justice.
The Judicial Service Commission currently consists of 10 members headed by its acting chair, Mercy Deche. The other members are Acting Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu, Attorney General Kehara Kariuki, Justice Mohamed Warsame, Justice David Majanja, Evelyn Olwande, Patrick Gishohi, Professor Olive Mugenda, Felix Kiptarus Kosgei, and Macharia Njeru. The Commission has assured Kenyans of a free and fair recruitment exercise. With the deadline for submitting applications by interested parties now passed, the Judicial Service Commission now proceeds on to the next stage with an endgame of delivering the nation's 15th Chief Justice. George Maringa, KTN News, Nairobi.
Tonight's former Nairobi Governor Mike Song